beaten up tech sector leading the market's bounce as we head into the final minutes of trading. Names like Netflix among the leaders today. Amazon, Tesla, all up big. Dan Howley here on set for us. And Dan, I think there was lots of question going into this when we see the Fed get more aggressive, what that means for tech. Lots of worry that they would actually retreat. But we're seeing the exact opposite today.
No, yeah, and like the rest of the market, it seems like everything's popping at this point. Though, it's still worth pointing out a lot of these big name tech stocks are still hovering around their 52-week lows. You have Google actually kind of pulling away from that at this point. A lot of them seem to be boosted. We've seen news in recent days and weeks that some of these companies are slowing hiring. That's been good for the stock price to a degree. Obviously Apple getting that boost here. I think, it's really going to remain to be seen where this all goes and what it ends up meaning for people. Just because, we have companies like Tesla who said they're going to have layoffs, Intel slowing their hiring, Redfin, Compass, layoff, Coinbase, layoff. And then we have the big tech companies. We have Alphabet, not a word about layoffs from them yet or slowing, but Microsoft slowing, Amazon slowing, NVIDIA sort of slowing, finishing onboarding the tons of people that they said they originally had is what we kind of got out of them. And Meta, unofficially Meta now, talking about kind of pulling back on some of their spending overall. And that's from last quarter. But, we'll have to see, obviously, what comes tomorrow when all of this is kind of fully digested. But I think for the big tech companies that are out there right now and the smaller tech companies that we saw really explode during the pandemic, it's still going to be a rough ride for them going forward.
And Spotify was another name today where we got some news that they were going to be slowing hiring by just about 25%. And taking a look at the reaction in the stock today, shares are up just about 7%. So.
Yeah, it's interesting. They're not freezing hiring. Yeah. They're slowing.
And not layoffs.
It's a weird kind of way to put it, but obviously it's helping them to a degree today.
All right, Dan Howley, thanks so much.